Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to format your USB stick in such a way that allows you to import teslalightshow files onto it and then later be plugged into your Tesla to get the party started. First, what you need is a USB stick. The files needed won't be too large, so any USB stick above 4 GB will most likely work. And I say 4 GB because usually you can't find anything under 4 GB. Next, download the Lightshow files that interest you from below one of the videos. Take the USB stick and plug it into your computer. You're going to want to format the USB stick in a certain way, depending on your operating system. Format as EXFAT, FAT32 for Windows, MS-DOS FAT if on Mac, EXT3, or EXT4 are all acceptable formats. Next, create a folder labeled Lightshow within the USB stick. Make sure there are no spaces and both the L in light and the S in show are capitalized. After that, you're going to now drag the desired Lightshow files into the folder on the USB stick. If done right, the folder should contain 2 files, lightshow.fseq and either lightshow.mp3 or lightshow.wav. The WAV or WAV file is recommended for better sound quality. Once you have those files in the folder, it's time to eject the USB stick safely and then go give it a try. A few side notes pertaining to the USB flash drive to keep in mind throughout this process are as follows. The USB stick must be formatted with one of these formats. And with that being said, NTFS is not currently supported. Your USB stick must also not contain a base level Tesla Cam folder, as well as not containing any map update or firmware update files. By following these easy steps, you should be good to go to show everyone what they're missing out on by not owning a Tesla.